Welcome back to Carneades.org. Today we're going to be continuing with our series, Dumbfounding Definitions, Dizzying Distinctions, and Diabolical Doctrines, a series sorting through some of the jargon of philosophy. In this video, we are going to be answering the question, what are qualia? And answering the also very interesting question, what is the singular of qualia? Well, qualia. So qualia are experiences we have. Often they are sense experiences. The experience of seeing red. The experience of hearing C sharp played on a pipe organ. The experience of tasting a well-made tikka masala. The feeling of being in pain and the feeling of being thirsty might also qualify as qualia. Emotional experiences or moods like anger or depression are often made up of various qualia that create that emotion or that mood. Now, qualia are not the same as properties. Something being red is not the same as someone experiencing redness. Qualia are subjective and they're personal. You might have a different experience of red than I do. Though we both might call the same text red, you might experience it as I experience blue. Similarly, it is an open question of whether a computer, for example, which could distinguish between colors, could experience qualia. And it goes into the question of, do computers have phenomenological consciousness, or would it be at some point possible for a computer to have phenomenological consciousness? Qualia are important, as you may have guessed, when talking about consciousness. Beyond the question of artificial intelligence, there are questions around philosophical zombies, who famously do not have qualia, even though they act as if they do. And the Mary's Room thought experiment, of course, challenges the idea that all facts are physical facts and that some facts about experience or qualia. I'm not going to get into any of those 3 different thought experiments right now, but you should check out my videos on these thought experiments for more information. That's the Turing test in the Chinese Room for artificial intelligence, philosophical zombies to talk about creatures that act like we do but don't have qualia, and of course the Mary's Room thought experiments to talk about the very existence of qualia and the possibility of facts that aren't physical facts. If you're curious, the singular of qualia is quale. What do you think? Do qualia exist? Can a philosophical zombie, which acts like a person, does but lacks qualia, exist? Can machines experience qualia? Write your answers in the comments below and watch this video and more here at Carneades.org. Stay skeptical, everybody.